Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need an easy way to keep your patio furniture protected, you're gonna love these covers from Richwon. This waterproof sofa cover comes in a ton of different sizes, so you can measure up your outdoor furniture and make sure you get the perfect fit. It's so easy to put these covers on and off, and it really is not a hassle, so you're not gonna hesitate to go ahead and put your covers on at the end of the day. These are definitely waterproof. You can see how the water just beads right off, and it really has done a great job. This has so far been through 2 thunderstorms and held just fine. I really appreciate the handles on either side. They make it super easy to slip the covers on and off, and there's even these little buckles around the legs to keep it in place and keep it really secure. There's also a drawstring and air vents, so that helps to keep it from flying away and prevent humidity from building up underneath. This fabric is really lightweight, so it's easy to pick it up, take it on and off the sofa, and I also appreciate that it's UV resistant as well. I live in a super sunny and super hot area in the summertime, and we get so much damage just from the sun's UV rays, so this is a great way to keep your furniture not only protected from dust and debris and pollen and water, but also from the damage from the sun. So this cover really protects your investment of your patio furniture and keeps it looking its best as long as possible. So I'm definitely pleased with this sofa cover from Richwon. It has been a super easy and effective way to protect my sofa out here on my pool deck, and that's my point of view.